In many factories, quality is responsible for everything but has authority for nothing. They are told, ensure zero defects. But when they try to stop the line, they are told, don't disturb production. So the question is, how can quality be responsible without authority? Hi, I'm Sagar Naik, founder of Swades QMS and quality management consultant. In this video, we will understand why quality has responsibility but no authority, what problems it creates, and how to fix this at system level. Simple, practical, and based on real shop floor experience. What these problems looks like? Let's see real situations. Quality team is expected to ensure product quality, reduce defects, handle customer complaints, pass audits. But when they take action, production says continue. Management says adjust. Delivery pressure increases. So quality is stuck. They are accountable but not empowered. What actually happens? Because of this situation, wrong material moves forward. Known issues are ignored. Decisions are delayed. Quality team becomes defensive. And finally, customer complaint comes. Then again, quality is blamed. Real root cause. The real issue is not authority. The real issue is system clarity. In many organizations, roles are not clearly defined. Decisions rules are not clearly defined. Escalation system is weak. So when situation comes, decision depends on pressure, not on system. Biggest misunderstanding. Many companies think giving authority means giving power to quality team. This is not correct. Authority should not be person based. Authority should be system based. For example, if defect crosses limit, line must stop. Not because quality said so, but because system defines it. What should change? Correct approach is define clear system rules, not depending on individuals. So what's the practical solution? Let's make it practical. The first one, define decision criteria. Clearly define when to stop production, when to continue, what is acceptable, what is not. No confusion, no debate. Second, create escalation system. If issue is critical, escalation should be immediate. Define levels, supervisor, department head, top management. This avoids delay. Third, align quality and production goals. Do not create separate pressure. Use common metrics like first time right, rework, customer complaints. This reduces conflict. Fourth, daily management system. Use daily review. Discuss issues, track actions, review risks, quality and production together. Fifth, leadership support. Leadership must support system decisions. If system says stop, leadership should support, not override for short-term gain. So what are the common mistakes? Avoid these mistakes. Giving responsibility without clarity. Depending on individuals for decisions. Overriding system due to pressure. Ignoring small issues. These weaken system. So what's the role of quality team? Quality team should focus on process, not personal control. Use data for decisions. Follow system. They should not fight. They should enable system. So what improves after change? When system is clear, decision becomes faster. Conflicts reduce. Accountability improves. Rework reduces. Customer complaints reduce. Most important, quality becomes part of system. Quality should not depend on authority. Quality should depend on system. If system is strong, decisions are clear. If system is weak, conflicts will continue. If you found this video useful, Like this video and subscribe to Swades QMS. We will continue learning practical quality management in a simple way. If you want to build a system where responsibility and authority are clearly defined, you can contact Swadesh QMS. Details are in the description. Thank you for watching.